Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into an exciting topic: how to build a portfolio as a newbie developer. A portfolio, dear friends, is your golden ticket in the world of development. It paints a vivid picture of your skills, your experiences, and your journey as a developer. This video will guide you through the process of building a portfolio that truly reflects your capabilities and aspirations. So if you're a beginner developer and you're looking to create a compelling portfolio, you're in the right place. First things first, understanding the purpose of your portfolio is crucial. A portfolio is more than just a collection of your work. It's a vibrant showcase of your skills, projects, and experience. Picture it as your personal art gallery, where each piece is a testament to your abilities. Your portfolio is the stage where your coding skills perform an intricate dance, narrating your journey as a developer. It's where you demonstrate the scale and scope of your abilities, painting a vivid picture of your expertise. But it's more than just a showcase. It's your golden ticket to impress potential employers or clients. An effective portfolio can open doors, turning heads in your direction. It can be the difference between being just another name in the pile and standing out from the crowd. Remember, your portfolio is your personal brand. It represents you and your capabilities as a developer. Ensure it shines bright, for it speaks volumes about you and your journey. Now, let's get to the building part. Start by selecting your best work. When assembling your portfolio, remember this golden rule: quality over quantity. It's not about showcasing every single project you've ever completed. It's about displaying the best examples of your work, those that highlight your skills, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Think of your portfolio as a curated gallery of your finest achievements. You're not just putting out content, you're telling a story about who you are as a developer. You're showing potential clients or employers your unique approach to coding and problem-solving. When choosing projects to include, consider the range of skills each one demonstrates. Perhaps one project shows your proficiency in front-end development, another might highlight your ability to solve complex back-end problems, and yet another might demonstrate your knack for creating seamless user interfaces. Choose projects that you're proud of and that best showcase your abilities. Quality always trumps quantity. Great, you've selected your best work. Now, it's time to present it effectively. Showcasing your projects isn't just about uploading code to GitHub or sharing screenshots. It's about telling a story. Each project is a chapter in your journey as a developer. Your role, the technologies you used, the challenges you overcame, these are the plot points that make your story compelling. Let's start with the project information. Don't just list what the project is, explain why it matters. Maybe it's an app that helps users track their fitness goals. Perhaps it's a website that makes it easier for small businesses to manage their finances. Whatever it is, make sure the value of your project is clear. Next, detail your role in the project. Were you the sole developer or part of a team? Did you design the user interface or focus on the back end? This gives viewers a clearer picture of your skills and experience. Then, highlight the technologies used. Whether it's JavaScript for a web app, Python for a data analysis tool, or C++ for a game, showcasing your tech stack demonstrates your versatility as a developer. Also, don't shy away from discussing the challenges you faced and how you resolved them. This shows your problem-solving skills and resilience, traits that employers and clients value highly. A good user interface and user experience are vital. Make sure your portfolio is easy to navigate and visually appealing. This speaks volumes about your attention to detail and your commitment to quality. Remember, presentation is key. Make it easy for potential employers or clients to see your best work. Now that your portfolio is ready, it's important to keep it updated. Picture your portfolio as a living, breathing entity. It grows with you, reflecting your evolving skills, knowledge, and experiences. Regularly updating your portfolio is akin to nurturing a plant. As you learn new programming languages, master new platforms, or complete exciting projects, these milestones deserve a spot in your portfolio. They are the fresh leaves and blooming flowers of your professional growth. By keeping your portfolio updated, you showcase an active and committed developer. You're not just resting on past laurels, you're constantly pushing boundaries and expanding horizons. Every new skill acquired, every project completed is a testament to your relentless pursuit of excellence. Remember, your portfolio is a mirror to your professional journey. An outdated portfolio might seem like a stagnant pond, reflecting a static career. But your career is a flowing river, vibrant and dynamic. An outdated portfolio might give the impression of a stagnant career. Keep it fresh, keep it updated. And that's it. You're now ready to build a strong portfolio. Let's take a moment to recap the key points we've discussed to ensure they've been ingrained in your mind. Firstly, we dive deep into understanding the purpose of a portfolio. It's not just a collection of your best work, but it's your chance to showcase your skills, your creativity, and your potential to prospective employers or clients. It's essentially your professional identity in the digital world. Next, we talked about selecting your best work for your portfolio. Remember, quality over quantity is the rule of thumb here. Choose projects that reflect your skills and growth as a developer. It's not about showing everything you've ever done, but displaying the work that you're most proud of and that aligns with your career goals. Then, we focused on the presentation. It's not enough to just have great projects, how you present them also matters a lot. Use clear, concise descriptions for each project. Highlight the technologies you've used, the challenges you've faced, and the solutions you've found. Make it easy for visitors to navigate through your portfolio and find what they're looking for. Finally, we emphasize the importance of keeping your portfolio updated. As you learn and grow as a developer, your portfolio should reflect that growth. Regularly update it with your latest projects and achievements. This will show your dedication, your constant learning, and your growth to those who visit your portfolio. Remember, building a portfolio is an ongoing process. It's not a one-time task but a continuous effort of showcasing your best self as a developer. It's your chance to tell your story, your way, and with these steps you're well on your way to creating a portfolio that stands out. Happy coding!